Ito ang Franklin Bridge, kilala noon bilang Kalmay Bridge, isang daanang naging bahagi ng legendary Golden Road ng Pangasinan.
In the heart of Dagupan City lies a bridge that has seen the city grow, recover, and transform. But today, it stands in silence, no longer possible, a ruin left behind by time and tide. Itinayo noong panahon ng Commonwealth ng mga American engineers, ang Franklin Bridge ay minsan naging bukas na daan patungong Dagupan, dumaraan sa baryo ng Carael at Kalmay, at naging bahagi ng tinaguriang Golden Road ng Pangasinan, isang 12-kilometer highway na nag-uugnay sa Dagupan, Lingayen at kanlurang bahagi ng lalawigan. For years, it was a symbol of strength and part of what was once the best-built road in the entire province. But nature has its way of testing what man builds. Noong 1935, dumaan ang isang trahedya, the Great Flood in Dagupan. Matapos ang halos isang buwang walang tigil na pag-ulan, rumagasa ang Kalmay River. Sa tindi ng agos, tuluyang nilamon ang Franklin Bridge, kasama ang lahat ng alaala at landas na minsang dinaanan nito. The bridge was never rebuilt. Ngunit ang maikling konkretong bahaging natira ay patuloy na nakatayo. Tahimik na saksi sa kasaysayan, sa sakuna at sa katatagan ng mga Pangasinense. Today, what remains can still be seen near the foot of the Pantal Bridge. Not just a structure, but a symbol of memory. A bridge no longer crossed by feet, but by stories. A piece of Dagupan's past that is still quiet stands, whispering of strength, of tragedy, and of the enduring spirit of a city that refused to forget. Dahil hindi lahat ng tulay ay kailangan muling itayo. Ang ilan, sapat nang manatili sa kasaysayan bilang simbolo ng pagkakakilanlan, pagbagsak at pagbangon. At dito sa Dagupan, ang tulay na ito ay hindi lamang daan kundi ito'y alaala. At sa bawat paglingon, dala nito ang kwento ng isang bayan na matatag at isang nakaraan na patuloy nating pinapahalagahan.
Some bridges break, but their legacy never does. This is Franklin Bridge. It may be in ruins, but its story lives on. In the heart of Dagupan at sa lahat ng mga nakakaalala.